What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we came to a car wash. It's dirty as fuck inside. All the trunk, interior, front and back, exterior, everything is gonna be washed and cleaned, and I'll show you guys the results. Here you go. Me and my boy here doing car wash today. Right, my boy? Yes, sir. Alright guys, so here you go. This is the finished product. It looks clean as fuck, but it's still a little wet, so it's dripping. I'm gonna wipe that down real quick. And yeah, this was a video. It was a mini detail. It looks much better when it's clean. Yeah, I was doubting this car in the beginning, but I'm starting to love it. The sound is not bad. It's a little too soft, but you know, that can be fixed. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like how this car looks. It is really fast. But yeah guys, so this was today's video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment. As you guys know, I'm doing a giveaway of my E36. It's a 1998 BMW 323 IS, and one lucky subscriber is going to take it home. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving it away to one of the lucky subscribers. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you're the lucky one that wins the car. I'll ship it out. I'll take care of the shipping, or you can come and pick it up. Or if you live in a different country, I'll just pay you whatever the car is worth. So if it's $10,000, I got you $10,000. If it's, you know, 5, I'll give you 5. But we'll see how much the mods cost, and stay tuned. There will be videos on the E36 soon. We'll be doing like turbo, you know, maybe some interior, and yeah, we'll do some mods on that car too. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and comment below.